Okay guys, so far all I've got done is these panels here, the dash bezel, and I started on that. I got the radio out. I got this control panel off, which the control panel is clip off. The side panels, there's a few 7mm bolts. There's a couple of 7mm bolts down here. There's a couple down here that you got to take off to get that piece off. This side plate just pops off. The dash will just pop off after, I believe, underneath those covers on each side there's a couple of screws or bolts probably. But I'm trying to get to the heater core, which is back in there. So we're gonna see what all this takes to get it done. So anyways, that's part one. I'll have more updated as I get more done. Okay guys, this is what I've gotten so far. I got most of the plastic off. I'm getting ready to start on this what I would consider the secondary mount, the plastic portion of the dash. And as you can see, I got more bolts. Okay, pretty much everything on this portion, like holding the plastic on, is either clipped on or it's held in by little 7mm bolts. So it's not too bad to this point. And then we get into like the bigger bolts for I'm gonna go ahead and pull this skeleton off, this plastic skeleton off, before I go and dig down any further. So, and I'll have to take out the controls, not the controls, I'll have to take out the gauges, unplug those and stuff. Well, I got the skeleton detached, the plastic skeleton. I got it detached for the most part, but there's still a whole lot of wires, and I have to get the fuse box off of there. I'm gonna have to unplug that brain. It's probably the PCM, but I'm gonna have to unplug all that probably. There's some more stuff that's gonna probably need to be unplugged too, but I need to get this out of the way, completely out of the way. And there's still more work that needs done. I'm probably about 2 hours into this. Well, we're getting a little closer here. I got the little plastic skeleton out. Not sure what I got to do next. I'm going to do some more investigating, look and see what and all we got in order to do. So this is what we got so far. I'm down to the metal brace part that goes in there. So we'll see what and all we got to do next, and then I'll get back with you. I'll have a little bit more video for you, but as you can see, I did end up having to take that cross member off and pull the steering column and stuff, but at least I was able to leave the box in for the most part, the back part of the box. Like I say, I took a little bit different approach than what most people do, and it worked out well. I actually disassembled the box while it was still attached, and being I didn't want to disconnect the air conditioner, which most people do, but I didn't. I left it in there, but I got it pulled back far enough that I could get these. I got a 1/4 inch drive in there, and I had to get to them from the back end. It was a little bit of a pain, but this is actually easier in my eyes than pulling this whole box out and blah blah blah. But anyways, I got that done. I'll get it put back together. I'll kind of show you some of that in another video. This will just be part one. How's that sound? So this is part one. So Anyways, well guys, this is part one. I'll show you kind of the reassembly of the whole catastrophe, we'll call it, and putting this back in. It shouldn't be too difficult. Putting the box back on, putting the dash back together. I'll show you that in another video. This is part one. This is the taking it out. Anyways, thank you guys for watching part one, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.